Staring at the different views on your window ledge. Coffee has gone cold, it's like time froze. There you go, wishing, floating down a wish well. It's like I'm always causing problems, cause hey, I didn't mean to put you through this tale. We're gonna sweep under the carpet. I hope that I can turn back the time to make it all